Basic Math, Chapter 17, Section 3, Adding Integers with Unlike Signs. You can use a number line to add integers with unlike signs. Start at 0, move to the right to add positive integer, move to the left to add negative integer. For example, add -2 plus 5. Step 1, start at 0 and move to the left 2 spaces to -2. Step 2, then to add 5, move to the right 5 spaces. So from -2, we're going to move to the right 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number you end up at is the sum, so you write the sum. -2 plus 5 equals 3, and that's a positive 3. Example 2, add 6 plus -8. Step 1, start at 0, move to the right 6 spaces to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, to add -8, move to the left 8 spaces from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number you end at is the sum. Write the sum. 6 plus -8 equals -2. Okay, lots to practice here. We can do a few to get the hang of things. So we made a number line, and we put 0 here. We can show number 1 starts at -2, and then we add 7. So if we went 1, 2, 2 spaces to the left of 0, and then we moved to the right 7 spaces, we would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this was -1 there, +1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we end up at +5. And you just write that as 5. Now, for number 2, this starts at +9. So we go to the 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we're adding a -6. So we're going to move to the left 6 spaces from 9. And if we did that, we could show that. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're left at 3. All right, let's try one more for our practice. We're starting at -8. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -8 is right there. 8. There's an 8. Now we're going to add +6 to that. So when you add 6, or you have movement to the right 6 spaces. And so that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are left off at -2. So when you start at -8 and you add 6, that's like saying you lost $8. Oh, and then you found 6. But overall, you still lost $2. There's a whole bunch more we could practice with, like following the same concepts. There's also your workbook practice for Chapter 17, Section 3. Let me know if you need any help with that. And I think there's a problem solving. We can make this a little more real. In a football game, Jeff started on the 40-yard line. He lost 4 yards on one play. Then he gained 7 yards on the next play. So use an integer to describe the 4-yard loss. So that would look like -4. Use an integer to describe the 7-yard gain. So that would just be a 7. In all, how many yards did Jeff gain or lose on the 2 plays? So -4 plus 7 leaves us where? So if we started on the number line, here's 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the left to show -4. And then we're going to move 7 spaces to the right. And that's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's going to give us a 1, 2, 3. So Jeff ended up with a 3-yard gain. All right, thank you very much.